Hello friends, welcome to EC's Workshop. Today I'm working on something. I don't know what I need to, I don't know if I need to or not. I'm just trying to experiment with it. Really see if I can fix it. Because I can't find the parts. No, I can't buy the parts. I can buy some of the parts, but not all of them. I picked up this air conditioner, portable air conditioner, free. Lady gave it to me. It works fine. I've had it plugged up in the shop. Checked it out. Problem is, I got the hose and everything, but the problem is she had everything I needed except for this part here. Except this part slides in here that holds the adapter for your hose to hook to. Okay? And it's a different size hose. It's not a 6 inch, it's a 4.5 or 5 something on the outside and 4 inside. And what I'm doing, this right here will fit the hose. This big part here on the end, I'm going to cut it off this elbow. This part will fit the hose on the inside. It'll slide inside the hose that goes on there for exhaust. Okay. It also heats. This thing heats up. It gets cold. It gets hot. It does it all. It's in great shape. I done checked it out, went through it, took the back off, plugged it up, cleaned it up. Works great. But I can't buy that part. And I've looked everywhere. eBay, everywhere. Can't find that. Probably find somebody did a 3D print on it. But I'm going to use that part off that elbow. I'm going to cut the big part off this elbow here. And I'm going to make a plate that'll slide in there. And I have a hole in the center of it so that I can glue that inside with some bonding glue. Slide in real easy. Put some bonding glue on and then hook the hose to that to have my ventilation. I could use it out here in the shop. In my little shop here. I can use that here in this little shop here. Help heat it up, help cool it. I got air conditioning that cools it, but don't do a big enough job. This one's bigger than that one in the window. I'll place it over there, run the vent out the window or out the floor or out the side of the building and have it just sitting there cooling the whole darn shop and heating the shop. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm going to use it. It works great. I'm going to make it the part to fit. Okay, it may take me a few days to do it, but I'm going to do it. Alright, this is my setup. Right here. It's weird, it's crazy, but I'm using this to do my radius, to get my radius around here, all the way around. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing this to do it all the way around. I won't have to go all the way around. Didn't go all the way around that time. I've just been cutting here. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get busy. I got another camera here. I got set up to film it. I don't know what's it doing. It's raised up on its own. Got it down here so a person could see it. Alright, well, I'll fix this. That's why it'll stay here. And then I'm going to get busy. Got 38,000 to go. Okay, now I've got a step in it. All right, now then I got a step in it that's got to be 3/16 lip by 110 thousandths thick. I got a little step right here that's got to be 100 thousandths thick by 3/16 wide lip, 187 inside from there. Okay. All right, we're going to do that. We're going to come up here and raise up. And I'm going to touch off. Let me put this right here first on a 0 and dial in 100. Touch off. Give me an indicator here. Shit, ain't got nothing rigged up. All right. That's 200. Got to take off 90 thousandths. Ah, hey, you know, I didn't know that worked. But it does, don't it? Now, let's see what I got to do now. Okay. Let me go check something. Cut. All right, let's see what we're going to do here. Let's move here. All right, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to come back here to this point here, plunge in, and then go that way. Clean that up, okay? That's what I'm going to do first now. All right, let's do that right now. Move out. Okay. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to deburr this. And we're going to try it out. I hope it'll work. We're going to go, hey, we're going to go up there and do it and see if it'll fit. I got good another camera up there. We'll check and see if it fits.